operator, which is assignment operator. So already we have used the assignment operator in the beginning, like where we were assigning a value to a variable. Assignment operator. So which are all those operators? One is the equal to, another one is plus equal to, minus equal to, or equal to, like this it goes, star equal to, slash equal to. You can keep on adding. Okay, so again, if you want to demonstrate that, so x is equal to 5, y is equal to 3, then we'll say result is equal to, I will say x is equal to x plus 10. This is what I wanted to do. That's what I will. X is nothing but x plus 10 is here it is. X is 5 and with this 10, so it would be 50. So instead of that, we can use the shorthand operators like x and then the what operation I am doing plus and then the assignment operator assignment, right? And then I have to just say 10. So this is how I can do, and then we can judge the value. So this is shorthand assignment operator. So this is plus equal to. If I want to print the result, this is how it would be. So plus is equal to 1000, x is equal to. Let me rerun this. Okay, so I have to say it's x, not result. So like this, we can do the assignment operator. Similarly, you can try with other. So x is equal to star plus. Okay, x is equal to x star multiplied by the value. So in this case, it is 10. So this star equal to. Okay, so star equal to, this is how we can do. So x is 5, right? So here in this case, it is x is equal to x star, whatever the value, so plus in 10. Okay, so that is where we will be getting what is called as the 250 value. X is equal to, it is equivalent to x is equal to x star. Okay, x star 10. Like that we can use it. So this is how we can use the assignment operator. So assignment operator. So in this session, I will demonstrate the assignment operator and the arithmetic operator. So next we will take up the other two operators, namely the comparison operator and then the bitwise operator. We will see. So in this way, we will be using the operator. So it is common in many all the programming languages. So Python is not an exception. Here also we will use the operator. So with that, just I demonstrated so far two things, which is the arithmetic operator and in the see in the next session with other operators. Thank you for watching.